Welcome to Car Showcase. Here introducing a 2025 Chevrolet Silverado. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado is a powerhouse of a truck that's designed to tackle even the toughest tasks. Its exterior design is rugged and aggressive, with a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a sloping hood. The muscular stance is accentuated by 20-inch alloy wheels and performance-oriented tires. Inside, you'll find premium leather upholstery, an 8-inch touchscreen display, and advanced infotainment features. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with ample legroom and storage. When it comes to power, the Silverado offers two engine options: a 6.6L V8 turbo diesel producing 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque, and a 6.0L V8 gas engine delivering 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, with four-wheel drive available as an option. Towing capacity is impressive, with a maximum of 18,500 pounds, making it ideal for hauling heavy trailers. Advanced safety features include forward collision alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. The Silverado is available in 5 trim levels: WT, LT, RST, LTZ, and High Country. Other notable features include an advanced trailer camera system, 15-inch head-up display, wireless smartphone charging, and a premium audio system. Dimensions are 231.7 inches in length, 81.2 inches in width, 75.4 inches in height, and 147.4 inches in wheelbase. Fuel economy estimates are 16 mpg city and 23 mpg highway. Pricing starts around $40,000 for the base WT trim, increasing to $60,000 for the top-of-the-line High Country trim. Key specs include the engine options, horsepower, torque, transmission, drive type, towing capacity, and seating capacity. The engine options are 6.6L V8 turbo diesel and 6.0L V8 gas, with horsepower ranging from 420 to 445 and torque from 460 pound-feet to 910 pound-feet. The transmission is a 10-speed automatic, and it's a rear-wheel drive vehicle with four-wheel drive available. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado is a force to be reckoned with in the truck market, offering powerful engine options, advanced safety features, and premium interior.